Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Matrices are fundamental mathematical structures used in various fields, including computer science, physics, and machine learning. In Python, you can represent matrices using lists or specialized libraries like numpy. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of matrix representation in Python, covering creation, manipulation, and common operations. If you haven't installed numpy yet, you can do so using the following command. Numpy is a powerful numerical computing library that provides efficient and convenient tools for working with matrices. You can represent a matrix using nested lists in Python. Each inner list corresponds to a row in the matrix. Here's an example of a 3x3 matrix. Numpy provides a dedicated array function to create matrices easily. This tutorial covers the basics of matrix representation in Python using both lists and the numpy library. Understanding matrices and their operations is crucial for various applications, especially in scientific computing and machine learning. Numpy provides a powerful and efficient way to work with matrices, making complex operations more manageable. Experiment with the provided code examples to solidify your understanding and explore more advanced matrix operations. ChatGPT